Hi guys, welcome back to another video. A quick video today on the Volkswagen Caddy. It strikes again, it's playing up, and it's been a nightmare. Basically, the fuel line has started popping off all the time. It popped off when I first bought the van. I stuck it back on and it's been fine for 6 months, but it sort of popped off the past 3 times I tried to drive the van, and I probably wasted about 40 or 50 quid worth of diesel just from leaking out of the fuel line. So today we're going to be replacing it for a completely new one. It's not the most difficult job, but I'm just going to basically talk about why cutting corners usually causes problems later on down the line. So let's take a look at the injectors and I'll show you what I'm on about. So here we are at the engine bay of the Caddy, and basically this fuel return where the white connector is right there, it keeps popping off. Now you probably notice something if you look at the other 3. They've obviously snapped that, or it's been damaged in the past and it has been replaced, but it's not a genuine connector. And what's happening is it keeps popping off, and that's why I always really use genuine parts, because they probably replaced that and I thought they've done a good job, which I'm sure the workmanship was fine, but the non-genuine part just keeps popping out and I'm paying for it. So yeah, we're going to be replacing the full line today. It's not a difficult thing. There's just 4 clips that we pull out of each injector, then we slide out the little return T-pieces, we pull out the fuel line, it connects there, and then yeah, hopefully we won't have this problem again. Now when I bought the van, it was a very clean van, and it still is in good nick. It looks smart. The mileage is quite low, but even this van has not had an easy life. I think that's just seems to be a recurring thing when looking to buy a van. You just cannot find them in good condition. But we're fixing all these little niggles, and eventually we're going to get through them all and there's going to be no more problems. Now another problem, I don't know why that light is on, that one isn't. I mean, that's just another problem that I haven't yet got around to. It's not the bulb, there's an electrical fault somewhere, but that's the prime example of what I'm talking about. Loads of stupid little things like that which I cannot figure out. Now then, let's fit this line. Okay, so we've unclipped the line. Very simple now. Here's the new line. We're going to just put it in. No more leaks. It's working. Happy days. Now the old line, if I did stick that back on, it would be alright. But you never knew when it was going to pop off again. So hopefully that's fixed it for good now. Hopefully you've enjoyed that little video. Now the Caddy, the clutch is gone as well, so I'm going to be doing that in a future video. So do consider subscribing if you've found this video helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.